happy day today because the postman brought me something. We got a saddle box in the mail. Hello, awesome equestrians. I'm Lisa, the budget equestrian. Welcome back to another video. And if this is your first time here and you want to make the most of the time that you have with your horse, click the little subscribe icon down below so you don't miss anything. Yes, I got a saddle box in the mail. This is awesome. I love Saddlebox. And sometimes on Saddlebox's website, they give little previews of what's coming up in the Saddlebox. They didn't do it for June, so I am super excited to see what is in the June 2018 Saddlebox. So let's open it up. And this is adorable. So with every Saddlebox, they give you a little card that tells you what's inside. And on the other side of it, they show you who the horse ambassadors of the month are. This is something new that they've been doing. And the horse ambassadors of the month for June 2018 are Red, Jax, and Dash. And then it also says, make your horse a star. Tag at Saddlebox Horses on Facebook or Instagram and we'll share your pick with our thousands of fans. That is just really neat. That's really neat that they give back to the people that love them and love Saddlebox. I love Saddlebox. Okay, so the first thing in the Saddlebox is my horse's most favorite part of any Saddlebox, and this is the treats. And this is Enjoyum's Carrot Treats. And it says, taste the natural sweetness of fruits and veggies. So it's a little bag of carrot treats for your horses. That's really awesome. And it's not summertime without getting a bottle of fly spray. And this is a bottle of Pyranha Equine Spray and Wipe. It's the blue bottle, so that means it's a water-based formula. I've used this before in the past on my horses and it seems to work pretty good for keeping the flies away. And this is a 3.4 ounce bottle of it. It does have pesticides in it. It has, I can't say it, permethrin and pyrethine. So it does work though, and it helps to keep the flies down. That's nice. Next we have a bottle of Fiebings 4-way leather care. And this preserves, strengthens, beautifies, and cleans leather articles and restores natural oils. And it is like a milky color. So it's not like just oil, it is a conditioner. It does say that it may darken light colored leathers, but Fiebings has really nice products, so that's nice. That is an 8 ounce bottle, and it's so cute. And next we have a fancy April Showers Horse Sponge by Epona, and it is a super absorbent, less drippable, supersized, contour grip, sturdy, and quick dry sponge. So it holds in a lot of water because it's compact right now. But then when you open it up, it expands and it's huge. And the contoured shape is nice for you to hold so you can get your hands around it. And to go with that sponge is a bottle of mane and tail shampoo. And that's a 12 ounce bottle of shampoo that will last a long time because the mane and tail and body shampoo goes a long, long way. And something really neat that I enjoy that Saddlebox does that I haven't seen any other boxes do is a lot of times they'll include a book. And this month the book is Hope from the Heart of Horses. How horses teach us about presence, strength, and awareness. So this is discover the heartwarming rewards to learning how to communicate with horses. And I think that's really important for all of us to, know how to communicate with our horses. Because if we do our best, then they're going to do their best for us. And it's a win-win. We help our horses, and they help our hearts. I think that's pretty cool. At least that's how I look at it. That is really nice. I'm actually going to read that. Can't write right now, so I might as well read a book, right? And the last item in the Saddlebox is called Healthy Hair Care. It's a hair moisturizer, which can be used as a daily grooming aid after body clipping, bathing, and to repair dry, brittle, or sun-damaged coats, manes, and tails. And this stuff is really neat. So what you do is you mix 1 part of this to 8 parts of water. So it's very concentrated. And I was so excited to see this come in the Saddlebox because I actually just bought a whole bunch of different shine polishes like Shoshin, but I didn't buy Shoshin because we all know what Shoshin is. And I was actually going to go to Dover and buy some of this hair moisturizer, and now I don't have to. I've heard really good things about this, and I can't wait to use it and show you guys how it works. So those are all of the things that came in the June saddle box, and they're just awesome. This was a really nice box. It didn't have the candy, but that's okay. Horses don't eat candy all the time, and neither do I. And if you've never subscribed to Saddlebox, all you have to do is go to their website, saddlebox.net, and you can sign up to get your own saddle box delivered to you and your horses each and every month. This has been one of my favorite subscription boxes to subscribe to. I've been getting it for over a year now. I have loved every single box. It's always fun to get a surprise in the mail, especially when it's horse related. The saddle box costs $34.99 a month, and that does include free shipping, and they ship priority mail, so you get your box really fast. There's no long-term commitment. You don't have to sign up for like 3, 6, 9, 12 months. You can do it for 1 month, see what you think, and then go from there. And the first month that you sign up for it, you don't have to wait until when they ship out the boxes. Once you sign up for the saddle box, they'll ship your first box right away. I think it's a great company, and like I said, it's really fun to get surprises in the mail every month. That's why I continue to do it. And if you'd like to see my other product reviews, DIY projects, and learn how you can be a budget equestrian, be sure to subscribe to my channel by clicking the little subscribe icon so you don't miss anything. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.